Today, we're headed out on a 3-hour dolphin and seashelling tour from Marco Island, Florida. We'll cruise through the Gulf Coast waters, search for wild dolphins, stop along quiet beaches, and see what kind of shells we can find along the way. And just when we thought the adventure was over, we ended the tour at a local bar with the most surprising slice of key lime pie. This is part boat ride, part treasure hunt, part wildlife escape with a sweet little Florida ending. Once we boarded, the tour started with the classic Florida boat day feeling. There was sunshine, warm, salty air, and everyone was quietly hoping that the Dolphins got the memo that we were coming out today. The 10,000 Island area is a maze of mangroves and coastal waterways near Marco Island, and many eco-shelling tour companies highlight wildlife like dolphins, manatees, and shorebirds along the route. Then came the moment everyone was waiting for, dolphin spotting. There's something completely different about seeing dolphins in the open water. Even if they only surface for a few seconds, the whole boat reacts as if they witness a celebrity sighting.
Friends would learn how to breathe, our babies.
They push them up to the pot.
Who does?
Moms.
The whole pot. And they take, no?
Not mom or dad. Dad's actually out of the picture already.
That's it.
Anybody know what a midwife is?
Oh, yeah.
Right? So dolphins essentially have a midwife, right?
Oh, really?
So her sole responsibility is when mama has that baby underwater, she will back underneath that baby dolphin and throw it up in the air, out of the water.
After dolphin watching, it was time for the treasure hunt part of the tour, seashelling. These boat access beach areas are popular because they can feel quieter and less picked over than busier public beaches. Every few steps, there was something different in the sand. Of course, even on a dolphin and shelling tour, I couldn't help noticing the birds. Shore birds always make these coastal trips feel extra alive. After our dolphin and shelling tour, we weren't quite ready for the Marco Island adventure to end, so we made one more stop at a local small business, Little Bar, a waterfront restaurant with that relaxed coastal Florida feel. After being out on the water, this was the perfect place to sit back, cool off, and enjoy the view. I went with a tropical pina colada because honestly, after dolphins, seashells, and sunshine, it just felt like the right choice. My husband went with a little more classic option and treated himself to an old fashioned. We started with the hush puppies, which was the perfect choice for an appetizer after a boat tour. They were crispy, comforting, and easy to share. For our main dishes, we tried the fried lobster BLT, mahi fish and chips. Both felt fitting for the setting. Waterfront views, seafood on the table, vacation mode fully activated. But the biggest surprise of the meal came at the very end, the key lime pie. The slice was made in-house, but when it arrived, I honestly thought I had been given the wrong dessert. It didn't look like the typical key lime pie I was expecting. It had more of a coconut cream pie look to it, with a fluffy, creamy topping instead of the classic key lime pie appearance. But then, after the first bite, wow, all the key lime flavor was there. Tangy, sweet, creamy, and so refreshing. It completely surprised me in the best way. If you enjoy relaxing nature trips, wildlife sightings, shell hunting, and a little travel adventure like this, peck that like button and subscribe to join my flock. Thanks so much for traveling with me, and let me know in the comments, would you rather spot dolphins, hunt for seashells, or just enjoy the boat ride views?